Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Kania here. Welcome back to St. George Preschool at home. I hope you had a good weekend. Let's talk about today's date. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. That's right, today is Monday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job with our song. So today is Monday. And what's the name of our month again? That's right. It's the month of March. The month of March. You know how we like to march around our classroom, right? You can march around at home while you sing your march song. Are you ready to march? M-A-R-C-H, M-A-R-C-H, M-A-R-C-H. March is our month. Great job. Monday, March, and our number for today is 23. You can see the 2, 3, 23. Good job. I'll say it, you say it. Monday, March 23, 2020. Great job. Let's talk about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it hot? Or is it cold? Well, if you're taking a look out my windows, you can see what kind of weather it is today. By my house, it's snowing today. And if it's snowing, it must be cold, right? You got it. So would you say March is coming in like a lion today? Or is March coming in like a lamb? It's cold and snowy. What do you think? Is it a lion day or a lamb day? If you said lion, you're right. It's a lion day today. So let's go ahead and add a lion to our graph. Where do you think we should add our lion to, boys and girls? Go ahead and point to where the lion should go. Very good. You're getting so good at the graph. We have quite a few lions to count out today, don't we? Let's go ahead and get started. We start at the bottom and we start counting with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 lions. And how many lamb days have we had? 0. You're right. Okay, wait for it. Here comes the question. Which days do we have more of? Do we have more lion days or more lamb days? You're right. We have more lion days. Which days do we have less of? You're so good. We have less lamb days. We don't have any, do we? Fantastic. Well, boys and girls, today we start a new letter. Last week, what letter did we talk about? Can you help me remember? What letter did we talk about last week? Oh, that's right. Letter S. S. Well, what letter comes next in our alphabet? If you said T, you're right. Terrific. We're going to talk about the letter T this week. T says T. T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. My teeth, T, T, have my tongue going right up behind my teeth like this. T, T, T. Teeth. T. You've got it. Let me hear you make that T sound. T, T, T. Terrific. Now, when I think of the letter T, you know what I think of? A train. I think of a train going on train tracks. Train starts with the letter T. And so does train track. And I have some train track. We have a train set at home. Do you? Our family loves trains. And I found some train track. Here's a long train track. And doesn't it look like it fits right on the letter T? And then you know what I can put across the top of the T? A shorter train track. Take a look. I can make a T out of train track. If you have some train tracks at home, you can make a T out of train tracks. Very good. You need one long train track and one short train track. The long train track is the stick of the T, and the short train track is the top. You got it. Now at home, you can use a marker or a crayon or a pencil, and you can trace your T. Start at the top and pull down. And then start a little over to the side and slide across the top of your T. You can do this a few times, can't you? Just like we do in school. Start at the top, pull down, go back to the top, and slide across. That's how you make your letter T. And you know what we always do on the back, right? On the back, we have our maze. Now this paper says T is also for tiger. So you're going to start tracing with the tiger, and he is trying to find his way all the way around to the next picture. I wonder what that other picture is of. Keep following around with your crayon or your marker or your pencil and help the tiger get to the twig. Another T word. Help the tiger, tiger, get to the twig. Twig. Terrific job. And then down at the bottom, you know what your job is. Go ahead and trace the T's at the bottom. Let's count out the T's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 T's to trace. You remember how to do it. Start at the top, pull down, go back to the top, and slide across. Good job. You're going to be experts with the letter T. You know what else would be fun to do? Take out your Play-Doh and go ahead and make 2 balls with your Play-Doh and then roll those balls out, right? You know how to do it. You can roll it out on the table, or you can roll the Play-Doh out in your hands. And then let's see you make the letter T out of your Play-Doh. Here's the pull down, and here's the slide across the top. I just made a Play-Doh T. You can too. And do you remember something that starts with the letter T? T. Train. You got it. You remembered that train starts with the letter T. You remembered that because of the train track, right? Well, speaking of train, I have a fun song. Let's do the song together. You know what I'm going to need for my song? Since my song is about a train, I'm going to put my conductor hat on. And maybe I'll even use my train whistle. Are you ready to learn our song? Okay, it's about a train. You might recognize this song. It's called The Wheels on the Train instead of the wheels on the bus. Are you ready? Here we go. The wheels on the train go choo, 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 choo. The wheels on the train go choo, 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 all through the town. The conductor on the train says, all aboard, all aboard, all aboard. The conductor on the train says, all aboard, all through the town. The whistle on the train goes toot, 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 toot. The whistle on the train goes toot, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the train go clickety-clack, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. The wheels on the train go clickety-clack, all through the town. Terrific job, boys and girls. We're going to be talking a lot about trains today. See you in the next video. Toodaloo. Another T word.